Hi, my name is Akhil Sai Patel. I am discussing about equilibrium by equilibrium equation. I am from aeronautical engineering. This is my tech talk. Equilibrium. The word equilibrium is derived from the Latin word equilibrium. From the equals means equal and the libra means balance, which means equal balance. In physics, it means a state of even balance in which opposed force or tendencies neutralize each other. Equilibrium is the condition of force where it is act but simply cancelled out. These force may even large enough to cause permanent deformations. Basic idea of equilibrium: those two objects are at equilibrium since the force are balanced. However, the force are not equal. Equilibrium means the force are balanced but not necessarily equal. That we need to learn. When body is equilibrium, then the two bodies are not at equal. They are in equal balance. Some terms related to equilibrium then we can discuss, that is center of gravity. Center of gravity of a body is the point where the entire weight may be assumed concentration. Particle example of equilibrium and center of gravity: a teen rope walker in a circus carries a weighted whole of a umbrella. Force system: concurrent and non-concurrent. Concurrent system occurs when the lines of action of the force act on the body interact at the common point. Non-concurrent system occurs when the forces are acting at different points. These are the two types of forces: concurrent and non-concurrent forces, that based on the force system. Types: there are two basic conditions for equilibrium: transversal equilibrium and rotational equilibrium. The term transversal equilibrium describes an object that experiences no linear acceleration. First condition of equilibrium: an object experiences no rotation acceleration. A compound of torque is used to be obtained in rotational equilibrium. Second condition of equilibrium: the topically an object it is a stable situation experience both linear and transport regional and rotational equilibrium. There are two kind of mechanical equilibrium: static equilibrium and dynamic equilibrium. Any object which is at static equilibrium has zero net force acting on it and is at rest. Any object which is in dynamic equilibrium has zero net force acting on it and is moving at a constant velocity. When a dynamic equilibrium acts on a body, then the body moves with a constant velocity. Newton's first law of physics: a body at rest will stay at rest and a body in motion will stay in motion unless an acting upon by any unbalanced force. Therefore, sum of all forces must be zero. Sigma F is equal to 0. Resultant of all force acting on a particle is 0. Then the body is in equilibrium. Equilibrium equation from Newton's law: if an object is in equilibrium, then the resultant force acting on a body equal to 0. The expression is follow: R resultant is equal to sigma R F bar is equal to 0. Vector equation when the body is at equilibrium. Some problems can be analyzed using 2D while other required 3D. Necessary condition for equilibrium: the necessary conditions for equilibrium are: first one, the vector sum of all external force is 0. The sum of the moments of all external forces about any line is 0. This is some necessary conditions for the equilibrium. Equation of equilibrium: as stated earlier, when a body is in equilibrium, the net force and the net momentum equals 0. That is, sigma F is equal to 0 and sigma M is equal to 0. These two vector equations can be written as 6 scalar equations of equilibrium. These are: Fx is equal to 0, sigma Fi is equal to 0, sigma Xz is equal to 0, sigma Mz is equal to 0, sigma My is equal to 0. Concurrent at the point: when the two forces are concurrent at the point xyz are zeros, cable. One unknown, the reaction is a force which acts away from the membrane. In one unknown, the reaction is a force. W- Roller, the unknown, the reaction is force which acts perpendicular to the surface. Ball and Scott, they are unknown, the reactions are rectangular from the compound. And the reactions are force couple movement, that is single jerk. Single journey begins with square wave. Five unknowns. The reactions are force and three couple non-movements. Single truss bearing. Five unknowns. The reactions are three forces and two couple movement couples. Five unknowns. The reactions are three. Single hanging. Five unknowns. The reactions are three forces and two coupling movements. Six unknowns. The reactions are force and three coupling unknowns. This is about equilibrium concept. Thank you.